people, I'm back. This is the 3rd edition. Today, the wafers made me so hyper that I'm gonna teach you guys to do the split with a cat on your head. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the little cat is split. And he doesn't know how to do the split too. Look. Hey! And the cat too. And the dog. Okay, he doesn't want to do it. And second, there's a second split. Excuse me, people. Excuse me. 5, 6. 5, 6. Hey, move. 5, 6, 7, 8. What are you doing? Move it. Excuse me. Stay. Excuse me. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put my body on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And the cat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bye. Oh, wait a second.
No, mira, esto.
I know how to hop.